What if I told you that you could start earning money today using completely free AI tools? No investment, no coding skills, just proven strategies that actually work. Businesses are losing thousands by not using free AI tools. ChatGPT, Canva AI, and automated content platforms can handle tasks that used to cost hundreds per month. Smart entrepreneurs are already leveraging these tools to scale faster, cheaper, and smarter than their competitors. Start selling AI-generated content to small businesses. Use ChatGPT for blog posts, social media content, and email campaigns. Canva generates visuals. You handle the strategy and delivery. Charge $522,000 monthly per client. Low overhead, high margins. Start with 5 clients and scale. Businesses don't know how to use AI effectively. Offer prompt engineering services, teaching them how to get maximum results from ChatGPT and similar tools. Alternatively, build automated workflows using Zapier and AI APIs. Charge setup fees plus monthly retainers. Easy passive income stream. Pick one idea today. Start with 1 client. Test your systems. Once you prove it works, scale aggressively. The AI economy is here. Early movers win. Stop waiting. Your next profitable venture is literally free to launch right now. Subscribe for more AI business strategies and hit that like button. Comment below which idea you're implementing first.